the science of space. Vastu means substance. Substance, space, energy, form, Vastu. Vastu Puja, Vastu. So the house is a Vastu, it's a place, it's objects. Pravesh means vishate, vesh, to deeply enter into that place. Griha Pravesh. So you do a swaha, you do a yagya, a homa, swaha, big fire, and then the Brahmins come and Brahmin feeding. And this is the rule of Vastu Shastra anywhere in the world, except Vrindavan. Vrindavan is alokik. This is alokik dham. Alokik means transcendental spiritual place. It is not controlled by any rules of this Maya Jagat. This world this Brajadam is not in the Maya Jagat, the material world, Maya Jagat. When the entire Maya Jagat undergoes pralaya, which means flooding, heavy flooding and total destruction, not destruction, but unmanifest form, there's no such thing as destroyed. It's prakat and aprakat, manifest and unmanifest. So when it's all flooding and what the reality that everyone experiences as the earth is covered with water, everything's covered with water, it's called pralaya. So even at the time of pralaya, when the whole universe is full of water, everything's covered, Vrindavan is a padma, is a kamal, it's a lotus flower. This is the flood waters, all this blue water, this is all flood waters. Pralaya, the Maya Jagat, the entire Jagat, the entire universe, Vishwa, the Vishwa or Jagat universe is flooded, Magana, with water, and there's one lotus flower sticking up. This is Brajadam. Doesn't get wet. Lotus is in a river. In a lake, there's a lotus. Oh, millions and millions and millions of liters of water. The lotus is dry. So Braj, these laws of Vastu and Vastu and Kastu and Tastu and Bastu, they don't apply in the Braj Mandal. This is Divyadam. What does it mean, Divyadam? It means transcendental. To what? Transcendental to all these things. Generally, I'll give you an example. When Prabhupada opened the temple, Krishna Balaram and Raman Reti, all the devotees said, Prabhupada, should we have Brahmins come in and do all the Vastu Pujas and all the special installation ceremony for the deities? And Prabhupada, confidentially in his room, he said, there's no need. We don't need any of this. All of us together, we do Harinam, and I will install the deities. We will set the deities, we'll establish the deities, Radhasham, Krishna Balaram, Tagore. I by my meditation, I will do the Pran Pratishtha.